What's up YouTube? Hope you guys are doing very well today, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can use AI image generating software and technology to extend an existing image that you've got for graphic design purposes. So let's get started. Okay guys, so very quick background as to why I'm doing this particular tutorial. We've got a standing client on retainer basis that has 3 or 4 different designs that they want done every month with different artwork and rotating artwork, changing artwork for a magazine platform that's an online magazine platform. And this particular online magazine platform is in the fishing, outdoor, hunting sphere, advertising, marketing sphere, and they're in that space. So this particular client of ours is not in that particular market, but they like advertising there because a lot of their clients love engaging and socializing in that capacity, you know, fishing or hunting, outdoor life, camping. So these designs are designs that we need to do every month. The dimensions of the designs stay exactly the same, but the photograph and the images that we use for these designs need to be updated every month with a fresh new look. So one of the banners that we need to design for this client is a web banner, but it's got funny dimensions. It's got strange, elongated, long, thin dimensions. So if you look on the screen quickly, I've opened this particular banner on Photoshop, and as you can see, it's a very long, thin dimension. It's 2,560 pixels by 3,317 pixels. So you don't really get images that's this size and in that particular dimension. So this was the image that we started with. Obviously a beautiful car, nice beautiful background. But if I took this particular image and I brought it into these dimensions, you can see that there's a lot of space, almost half the image or more than half of the image on the right hand side that has got nothing in it. And I needed a good quality solve for this particular problem. Let me just delete that layer quickly. So what I did was, in this instance, is I headed over to playground.com. Now playground.com is a AI image generating, editing platform. It is fantastic. It's free. It is an absolutely amazing platform that you can use to generate images from scratch, but also in this particular case, extend images if you need them extended. So basically what I did is I took this particular image that we want to start with. I came into Playground and I opened up a new canvas. There's a lot of tutorials available on that. I'll do a separate one on Playground as a separate tutorial on how Playground works. But for now, what I did was I just took the image and brought it into Playground, and as you can see on the left hand side there, it says image to image. So upload or select an image to use as inspiration. So just drop that there and leave the strength as 100. That means if you see there at the bottom, it says image strength of 100 will generate the exact same image. So in this case, that's what we want. I just want to regenerate that exact same image, but then obviously, like I said, extend that particular image. So when you click on that image, which is called a canvas in Playground, you'll see next to it there's a generation frame. So if you take the generation frame and you just bring it and overlap it with the canvas slightly, then at the top there it says outpainting, extend image. So now it's changed from generating a totally new image to reading what information you're giving it over here in that image generation frame, and it's going to extend that same type of image and that information into the open slot that's on the right hand side here. So now I'm just going to click outpaint and then wait a couple of seconds, and then we can see what results will be generated by Playground. As you saw there, I already did this previously. I've already handed over the particular results to the design company and the advertising company as well. But there it's rendered the particular image, and I don't think it does a really bad job at all. So I'm just going to click undo, and I'm going to give it a little bit more information. So I'm going to move it a little bit more left and then try again. So there you go. So I've given it a little bit more information. I've included more of the image on the left and obviously asking it to extend it to the right of the image. And I think that looks absolutely fantastic. Now, obviously, this is an AI image. It has got that AI image look and feel to it. But the client kind of likes that. So they very much like it because it fits into their style and their brand. And I'm going to do it one last time. Just extend it a little bit more. Just so that we start matching that that dimensions of the web banner that we need to do the design for the client for. The more we can get into those kind of dimensions, obviously the better the end of the image and the end result obviously will be. So once we've done this, I'm going to show you how you can download the image. I'm going to quickly bring it into Photoshop and then just show you how I quickly go and just populate stuff like logos and text for the adverts, etc., etc. There we go. So Playground finished rendering and outpainting that particular render. So there you've got the canvas that's been filled. And what you can do now is you just click on the actual canvas and the image, and you've got two options there. It says download, or at the bottom right there it also says download. So just click download. It downloads it to your downloads folder. Bring it into your folder that you're busy working in, where your working files are. We've already opened this Photoshop document, which is this one. So this is the actual file that I use to deliver to the client. Drag and drop that into Photoshop there, and I'll just stretch it out a little bit. I think that looks pretty good. Now, in this case, I can stretch it out and fill the frame fully, which is absolutely fantastic. And that's more or less then how you can use Playground to extend an image. And obviously, in the center of this image and on the right, I'll place the client's logo on the right, to the far right, and in the middle, I'll put their slogan or their website address or contact details, whatever they prefer. They're very particular, so they like having their website address there, so the clients, when they see the advert on that online platform, they know where to go to visit the client's website and see their stock and all their products. And yeah, logo nice and big on the right hand side, obviously for brand awareness. And that's how I use AI image generating and extending technology to help me in my everyday graphic design life, guys. If you like this tutorial, if it helped you, please leave a thumbs up at the end of the video. It really does help us on YouTube to get recommended. Follow us on the channel if you like the content, and we'll bring you some more tutorials that hopefully help you in your everyday digital creating life. Be blessed, guys, and see you in the next one.